Hello, today we will guide you through how to import data using Bitrix24 REST API. In this walkthrough, we'll open your Bitrix24 workspace, navigate to the developer tools, and highlight where inbound webhooks live, the feature that enables REST API calls for data import. I'll also share a few practical notes so you know what to expect as you set this up. Start by opening your Bitrix24 portal in a browser and head to Chat and Calls. This reliably opens the main interface and ensures the left-hand navigation is available. If your menu is collapsed into icons, don't worry. Simply moving your cursor over the left edge will expand it so you can see section names. Next, hover your mouse over the left navigation. Scroll down and look for the Applications section. Depending on your layout and permissions, it may be nested lower in the menu. Applications is where marketplace apps and developer tools are grouped, so this is the right place to access resources for REST integrations. Click the Applications dropdown to reveal its options. From here, choose Developer Resources. This area hosts the official documentation and tools that connect your portal with external systems, which is exactly what you need when you plan to import data using the API. Inside Developer Resources, go to the Other section. This tab consolidates several technical utilities, including authentication and webhook options. It's organized to make it easier to find standard setup items you'll use across different integration scenarios. Now select Inbound Webhook. An inbound webhook is a special URL tied to your Bitrix24 account and permissions. It lets external scripts or services call the REST API securely, so you can post data into your CRM, such as leads, contacts, or deals, from outside systems. Treat any webhook URL like a credential and store it securely. If you're on a free trial, you may see a notice that inbound webhooks require a paid plan. That's expected. Generating and using inbound webhooks is limited on certain tiers. If this message appears, review your subscription options or check with your administrator to enable the appropriate plan and permissions before proceeding. Once you have access, you're ready to work with the REST API for importing data. A few tips before you begin. Prepare clean source data with clear field mapping to your Bitrix24 fields. Start with a small test batch and monitor responses for errors or rate limits. Keep your webhook secret, rotate it if exposed, and document which fields and endpoints you use so future updates are straightforward. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find inbound webhooks in Bitrix24 to power REST-based data imports.